Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get GM in on chess.com next to your name. So let's get right into it. Now, GM, as you most likely probably know, if you play chess semi-regularly, means Grandmaster, which is pretty much a title reserved for the top chess players in the world. Now, to get that in your or next to your name in chess.com, you actually need to apply for it, contact the chess.com moderators, and then they will be able to put that in front of your name. Now, to do this, they will ask for proof that you're an actual FIDE real life chess grandmaster, which you do need to get or achieve by winning tournaments or getting a high rating in tournaments. Now, there is a very wide range of requirements that you need to meet, and you can see them here on this Wikipedia article. I'll just refer to that for the time being. As you can see, you for with the current regulations, you need to have favorable results, which are also called norms, from a total of at least 27 games in tournaments. And to receive a norm in the tournament, the rating at the end of the tournament must be at least 2600. And tournaments are no longer classified in categories. You need to at least be at least or at least 30 one-third of your opponents must be grandmasters. At least half of your opponents must hold a title. The opponents you play against must have an average rating of at least 2380 elo. The opponents must come from at least 3 different chess federations, with 60% being able to come from your own federation, and a maximum of 66 being from a single federation. And at least one norm must be scored at a Swiss tournament with at least 40 participants, averaging 2000 elo or above. And you need an elo rating of at least 2500 at any point, and you can enter the tournament with below 2500 elo. You can achieve 2500 elo or above, and then drop below it, and that would still, fulfill the regulation, or the what's it called? You know what I mean. But yeah, it's also the title of GM is also automatically confirmed, as you can see. If you reach the final 16 in the World Cup, win the Women's World Cup, the World Junior Championship, or the World Senior Championship, or a Continental Chess Championship, given that your peak FIDE rating is at least 2300, and current regulations can be found in the handbook. And that is pretty much it. That is how you achieve GM in real life, and then you just apply for it through chess.com, and you should get it next to your name. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.